Hi everybody. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and do a cute little quick tutorial on how to apply your eyelashes from Tara J Beauty. Just for those of you who may not know how to apply lashes, or those of you who kind of know but mess up or get stuck somewhere, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial, quick tips and tricks, and how to get your lashes on. So the things that you will need are your Tara J Beauty eyelashes of choice, obviously. And this style right here is a style called Lexi. And I'll take them out so you can kind of see a little bit better. But I love these lashes because they are nice and fluffy and wispy. It gives you a little bit of drama, but classiness at the same time. So I really love these. You will also need your Tara J Beauty eyelash glue. And this is the clear glue, but I do have the black glue available as well for those of you who prefer black glue. You will also need scissors, an eyelash applicator, and optional mascara. Now quickly, this particular eyelash applicator is one that I just had lying around. I will have eyelash applicators available for you all to purchase. Right now they are getting customized, so I'm not able to show you. But if you do want to see what they look like, just go to the Instagram page for Tara J Beauty, and there is a post of them on there. So let's go ahead and get started. You are going to have to customize the eyelashes to your eye shape. So the eyelashes, they come in a standard size like this. However, it may not fit everybody's personal eye shape or eye length, I guess you could say. So you're going to need to cut the eyelashes to where it fits your eyes. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about now. Okay, so after you have measured against your eye and you have cut the desired amount that you need to cut off, now it's time to put on our eyelash glue. What I really like about this eyelash glue is that it does not take long to dry at all, because you want to get it to where the eyelash glue is drying a little bit and getting tacky so that the eyelashes stick on. And some eyelash glues, you have to sit there for a minute or two before it actually gets tacky, but this, you don't have to do that at all. So that's why this is definitely a must-have. It's quick drying and you're boom, ready to go. Now what I like to do is I like to apply my eyelash to the middle of my lash line first and then connect each side. Okay, so now that you have both eyelashes applied, this last step is honestly optional. If you find that your eyelashes, like your natural eyelashes underneath, are not blending in well with the false lashes, what you can do is you can take whatever mascara, and this is the Lancome Definisil mascara. As some of y'all know, that I was a beauty advisor for that beauty brand, and they have the best mascara ever, so I still even use it. So what you're going to do is you are going to take the mascara and you are going to blend your lashes with the false lashes. Okay, so that was the last step on how you apply your Tara J Beauty eyelashes. Keep in mind that we will be relaunching on February the 14th, Valentine's Day. So the eyelashes, the glue, the applicator will all be available to you. Also, these little clips, I have clips and other accessories and things like that that will be available as well. So please save the date. Make sure also that you are following Tara J Beauty Instagram. I will be putting more tutorials and special things like that out that you don't want to miss. So make sure you are subscribing. Bye, y'all.